Hello everyone, we're going to be focusing this forecast on the upcoming winter storm, kind of the thing that's on pretty much everyone's mind here. Let's start going through the watches and warnings. Winter storm warning in the area shaded in purple here along the Rocky Mountain front and adjacent plains. Anywhere from between about 1 foot and 3 feet of heavy snow, heavy wet snow possible there. And you add on top of that some wind gusts close to 40 miles per hour. You could be looking at blizzard conditions, or at least near blizzard conditions. As well as some damage to trees and power lines. Trees right now still have a lot of their leaves on them, so you have some snow and wind there. That's definitely a problem. Also going to be pretty cold. Wind chills closing in on about zero. Now, a good portion of the rest of the state is under a winter storm watch for wet, heavy snow, significant accumulations. Those are very varied across the state, so we'll break those down here in just a second, but fairly strong winds for most of the area and wind chills that are 15 degrees or cooler. So dealing with the blowing snow and the cold as well. Start with future track. We're seeing a good amount of rain pushing through the state right now, just light rain showers, clearing actually to the north. We're seeing some clearing in Great Falls, but by tomorrow we're going to see some more rain start to move back into the area. So here's tomorrow at noon, and we see a decent amount of rain there. The snow you're seeing mainly going to be above about 7,000 to 8,000 feet. So higher elevation snow, but it's going to be dropping quickly. By the time we get to about 6 p.m., there are some places, I think, along the Rocky Mountain front that could start to see that changeover. And definitely as we head into tomorrow night, we see this snow push off to the east. So the Rocky Mountain front by Friday night, already starting to see some snow. Starting to see that change over toward places like Great Falls and Helena as we head into late Saturday morning to early Saturday afternoon. Still some uncertainty exactly when that's going to happen, but pretty much most of us, by the time we get to Saturday night into Sunday, are going to be seeing that change over to snow, and that snow lasts even into Sunday night, and for some of us, even into Monday. So looking at a pretty wintry weekend, the potential is there for some very heavy snow. Anywhere you're seeing the blue shading, we have the possibility of snowfall totals of up to 1 foot. Where you see the purples and the pinks, especially along the Rocky Mountain front, snow totals of 1 foot are likely. In fact, snow totals of greater than 1 foot are likely. Now, as far as confidence, this we're very confident on. We know we're going to be getting some very heavy snow here. Farther off to the east, especially along northeast Montana and the border here, we aren't quite as confident. So let's go through some snowfall totals. Again, by Friday night, we're already starting to see some accumulating snow in the mountains. By the time we get to Saturday, Rocky Mountain front picking up quite a bit of snow. Most of us really don't pick up much through the day on Saturday, maybe an inch or two. But by Saturday night and into Sunday, we start to see those snow totals really start to increase. As far as our snow total estimate right now, we're going 6 to 12 for Great Falls, 6 to 12 for Lewistown and Havre. And toward Cut Bank, 18 to 24. Again, you get a little bit closer to the Vide, you're talking closer to 3 feet, 5 to 10 for Helena. So lots of impacts from this storm here. That's going to be moving through the area. One of the bigger issues is going to be travel, of course. That's going to be significantly impacted. We talk about the impacts to trees already, and one thing we are going to be watching is the potential for melting with this snow. That's what's throwing our snow totals off a little bit. So even though we do have the chance of about 1 foot of snow, it's definitely not a guarantee because the ground is very warm. But significant impacts expected across most of the area. We'll continue to update you with the latest snowfall forecasts as we get closer to the storm. Thanks for watching.